where every family brings their best bitter wine.
А Гуйчжоу – замечательная провинция на юге Китая. И сегодня мы поговорим про чай.
第1回目としてまずお茶の話をしましょう。
Hello everyone, welcome to Zachary's Guizhou Talk. I am your host, Zachary. In today's episode, we're going to look at one of the most visited destinations in Guizhou, the Huangguoshu Waterfalls in Anshun. The Huangguoshu Waterfalls is the largest waterfall in China and the third largest in the world, known for its great water power. With the waterfalls at the center, there are actually 18 cascades stretching a total of 20 kilometers, all having their own unique shapes and styles, forming a massive cluster of waterfalls. The cluster has a height differential of 77.8 meters, with the main waterfalls reaching as high as 67 meters. The width is 101 meters, with the main fall measuring 83.3 meters at the mouth. The Huangguoshu waterfall has 6 viewing platforms that approach the waterfall from the top, the bottom, the front, the back, left, and right. It is also the only waterfalls in the world that offers this type of inside-out experience, where visitors can hear, see, touch, and experience the waterfalls from behind the water curtains. The Duopuotang waterfall is located 1 kilometer upstream from the Huangguoshu waterfalls. At the top of the Duopuotang is a large karst pool. Whenever there is a flash flood, the fall will make a roaring sound that sounds like a lion, and so the falls also have been called the Roaring Falls. If you come to Guizhou, don't miss visiting the Huangguoshu waterfalls. So remember to follow, like, subscribe, and repost our account.